Welcome again, Indices and Logarithms, June 2018. Find the value of x for which y equals 2 log to the base 2 of x, and y plus 4 equals log to the base 2 of 2x. We are looking for the value of x, which means technically we can just substitute the value of x. Well, let's just go ahead in solutions. Now, in solution, we can observe this as a simultaneous equation where you have to solve the values of y and x. Just like the question has said, you should solve only for the value of x. So we can say y equals 2 log to the base 2 of x as equation 1. And then we have y plus 4 to be equal to log to the base 2 of 2x. That is our equations 2. So from these two equations, I can choose one from I can just substitute equation 1 and 2, okay? So we can say substitute 1 in 2. That will mean 2 log to the base 2 of x plus 4 is equal to log to the base 2 of 2x. Now bring like terms together. I'll end up with 2 log to the base 2 of 2x minus 2. Bringing like terms together, we could end up with log to the base 2 of 2x minus log to the base 2 of x plus that 2 should be equal to 4. Yes, so log to the base 2 of 2x minus 2 log to the base 2 of x equals 4. From here, can pretty much do a long division. Okay, from here we are going to end up with something like. From here we are going to end up with something like log to the base 2 of 2x minus log to the base 2 of x squared equals 4. So from here we get log to the base 2 of 2x on x squared to be equal to 4, meaning 2x on x squared will be equal to 2 to the power 4. That should be 16. If that be the case, this should imply 16x squared is equal to 2x, which implies 16x squared minus 2x are equal to 0. So we can factor out x, we will be left with 16x minus 2 equals 0. So x is either equal to 0 or 16x minus 2 equals 0, and x will be equal to 1 on 8. Notice that there are two responses here. You could choose at this point to just say 16x squared equals 2x. So you divide here by x and divide here by x, so that you end up with 16x equals 2 and x equals 1 on 8. This is an eventual solution. After all, it ties with our second result of 1 on 8. However, with this method, there is a problem. Why? Simply because you are neglecting one other result possible. So this result over here is currently the best. We have x equals 0 or x equals negative or x equals 1 on 8.